What is up, everyone? This is Motutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update error code that you may be getting that says your device is missing important security and quality fixes. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error code, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you can do is go to your search bar, just type in troubleshoot and open up troubleshoot settings. In here, you're going to do additional troubleshooters. In here, there's a troubleshooter literally for Windows Update, and you want to essentially run this troubleshooter. Once you do this, this will kind of look into what the error is, and it will try to resolve it on its own and essentially go from there. If this does not fix it for you, the next thing you can do is go back into your search bar and look at update history. So just type in update history, and then there's like a system setting that shows all the updates that actually occurred on your computer. So in here, you want to go to uninstall updates and uninstall the latest one that you downloaded before this issue started to happen. Most likely not the Visual C++ ones, is going to be the Microsoft Windows one, right? So you want to uninstall that specific one. The latest one, like I said, that started to cause this issue, and then go from there, because it's possible that maybe the update didn't install properly, so you uninstall it, it'll reinstall it again, and then most likely this issue should go away. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and the Motutorials out. Peace.